Hello guys, I'm this today. For today's video, we're going to talk about ccna security. We're going to secure our router, securing the router, part 1. So let's go. Let's run our Cisco packet tracer. So we need to establish our network communication. So we need some network device. So we need the routers. We need the 18911 router. We need a switch, our 1960 module. So the way we interface with this device is actually interesting. So when you open the router, you can see you have the physical aspect of the router, the interface. You can zoom it in to see the VTR and the console port that we have, and actually the model that we have. And then you have the configuration, everything that you can perform with the router, the CLI and the attribute, and the same with your switch, physical area aspect of our Cisco switch, how it looks like. This is the model, our 2916 configuration. For the interface, we can have CLI. Okay, you need to a PC or some PC. We need to connect our device. Connect our switch to the router. Okay, I also need to our sorry, let me delete. We need a console cable. This one, I'm going to secure the router. Our 232 RS serial cable to the console. We're going to configure to secure our router, our intelligent device. Okay, it's a brand new router. Here we go. So let's open up the router. Let's open the interface, or we can go ahead and just use our laptop or computers. Go to desktop, and then we go to terminal. Okay, so we're going to configure our router in this laptop. Open it. Okay, good to go. Enter. Enable config terminal, and then let us change the name of the router, host name. You can put any name that you want, and put Bella. Enter. Interface, our interface, the 50/0, as you can see here, 50/0. Enter. On the IP address, we're going to give you any IP address that we want. There's a class 192.168.10.1. Step it, enter the subnet mark 255.255.255.0, enter, and then no shutdown. Now the state has changed to up. Now the port is open, port is up, as you can see. we can close or minimize it. So we can write down the IP address of this computer 192.168.10.10. So the gateway is 110.1. Okay, we can go ahead and configure it. 192.168.10.10, and the default gateway 192.168.10.1. Okay, we are good to go. So we need to remember that there are two ways we can secure our routers. There are two ways. We can secure our console port. As you can see this interface, we can secure the console port, or you can secure the ability for the people, for the host, to remotely manage the router by connecting remotely to the router, or in some way that anybody who has the console cable and has access to the router can just plug in and go right there to the router. But you need to know that you cannot telnet or SSH a machine which do not have an IP address. I cannot telnet or SSH any computers which does not have a IP address. So way to secure our virtual terminal interface. So we're going to secure our console. We start with console. Let's run our router terminal. Okay, enter Ctrl+C, enter config-t, line console, and then question mark. First line number, you need to enter number 0 and then click enter. The most insecure way to do this, now you just tap password, and then set up provide a password. I tap Cisco, enter, login, enter, and exit. So anytime when you want to log in once more time, now we have set the password. So if you want to log into the router, you can close it. Anytime you want to log into the router, you will be prompt to assign the password and the password. So you need to set up a password to get access to the router. Let's type Cisco, enter. Now we are inside the router. You can go ahead and copy it. So you have to know this one is less secure. So you can go ahead and show run, enter. You can see the line console. You can see all the configuration we have done, the interface. Let's go down. You can see the line console, and the password that you have assigned. What in the file config file. This is a security risk. The reason why is a security risk because if somebody was able to get a hold of the file in the router, I could look at the file and see the password. So next video we are going to look at how you can uh, put the best encryption in your network device. So if you found this video interesting, come like it and subscribe.